In this video, I am going to teach you how to stop auto renewal for your Admiral Insurance policy. This is helpful if you want to switch providers or manage your renewal manually. Make sure you have your policy number ready before starting. Let's get started. First, go to admiral.com and click Contact Us at the top left corner. This will take you to Admiral's help and support page. Next, click Motor. This will filter the options related to vehicle insurance. Then, click Car Insurance in the option. This directs you to information and actions for your car policy. You will proceed to the Admiral Virtual Assistant, then scroll down. Look for ways to connect with a customer service representative. You can choose between contact us online or give us a call. Either way, you will be connected to someone who can process your requests. For this video, I will choose message instead of calling. Then just tell customer support you want to stop your auto renewal. Be polite and provide your details so they can process the cancellation smoothly. And that's how you stop Admiral Insurance auto renewal. If you found this guide useful, hit the like button and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!